Okay, here we have another example. Slightly different compound now. Now we have a compound containing nitrogen. It turns out there's a couple different ways of doing this type of formula, so let me show you those. Um, I want you to notice something right away. First of all, notice we have a CH3 group there and a CH3 group right there. So one way to do this would just be to kind of follow what we've done before. There's a CH3. Notice there's a nitrogen, which is, of course, right here. Notice there's a hydrogen off that nitrogen. We're going to put that right in there. And notice here there's another CH3. And there you go. There is one choice for you. I'll call that number 1. Now, there is a couple other different ways of doing this. The other way would be to, I'll call that 2, would be CH3N. And now you can hang the hydrogen down. And then you can also put the CH3 on the end there, and you'd be done with that. Now, for the third one, it's a little bit different. Notice that this CH3 group and this CH3 group are both the same. So we can set those two equivalent groups, we can set them aside in parentheses, and we're going to put them in front of the nitrogen. So we can do the following. Remember that the CH3 groups are the same, so let's go ahead, put that in parentheses, put a 2 there. We're going to put that in front of the nitrogen. There's the nitrogen, and now we're going to have to put the hydrogen in there, and we are done. So there's 3 examples for you. All 3 are basically equivalent. You can choose to use whichever one you wish.